Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Dovenmuehle mortgage account. So go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and in the Google search bar search for Dovenmuehle mortgage login. Now click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to the official page of Dovenmuehle. Now click on the borrowers and it will lead you to the login portal from which you can log into your Dovenmuehle mortgage account. Go ahead and write down your username, your password, and you can even show your password if you are confused what your password are or if you want to see what your password is, and then press login. Now if you forget your username or your password, there are two links from which you can reset your username or your password very easily. And if in case you don't have a Dovenmuehle account, you can go ahead and register yourself from here or by simply clicking here. This way, you can open up a Dovenmuehle mortgage account. This was a video on how you can log in into your Dovenmuehle mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.